Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You know you like that.
Yo, welcome back to Math Talk with Mr. Faison, and I'm Mr. Faison, or Mr. Faison. As long as you know, today we're working on dividing polynomials. So let's see what they're talking about. First, problem number 1, we have 7x to the 5th plus 21x to the 4th, and we divide that by 7x. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide the coefficients, or the big numbers, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide 7 by this 7 right here. 7 divided by 7, we know is 1, right? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna subtract the variables. So right here I have x to the 5th and I just have an x. So I'm gonna subtract these. So I'm gonna do 5 from this one. Now right here, I don't see a number right here, but I understand that it's just 1x, right? So I'm gonna do 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So my first one, I have 1x to the 4th, or it could have just been x to the 4th, whichever one you prefer, right? Now I'm going to the next one. I have a positive 21x to the 4th. So I'm gonna do 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7, we know is 3. Now I'm going to subtract the variables. 4 minus 1. So I have 4 x's right here and I have 1 x right there. So I'm going to subtract them. That's going to give me x to the 3rd. This will be my answer. So our answer being 1x to the 4th plus 3x to the 3rd. All right, so now let's go over to problem number 2. Right? What we're looking at is 25a to the 10th minus 45a to the 8th plus 15a to the 5th, all divided by 5a to the 5th. First thing I do, I'm going to divide the coefficients, which are the big numbers. So I'm going to do 25 divided by 5. Let's start there. 25 divided by 5. We know that's going to be 5. All right? Now I have to subtract the variables. So I have a to the 10th and a to the 5th. 10 minus 5 is going to give me a to the 5th. Now I'm going to divide negative 45 into 5. If I divide that, that's going to give me a negative 9. And now I subtract the variables. I have a to the 8th and a to the 5th. That's going to give me a to the 3rd. Lastly, what I have is 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. All right. Now I have to subtract the last variable. I have a to the 5th and I have a to the 5th. We know 5 minus 5 is 0. So my answer will be 5a to the 5th minus 9a to the 3rd plus 3. So that's our first part of dividing polynomials. Let's jump into our second part. Cool, there we go. So now looking at problem 3 and problem 4. What we're looking at here is I have x, and in parentheses x plus 4 minus 6, in parentheses x plus 4 divided by x plus 4. It looked crazy, but it's super simple. Literally, this is all you have to do. This x plus 4 is going to be canceled by this x plus 4, because when you divide them two, it cancels out. Same thing with this x plus 4. When I divide it by this, it cancels out. So if I look, that cancels out with that, and that cancels out with that. So all of those will cancel out, right? These two are canceled out by this one. So when I look at it, that x plus 4, when I divide it by that x plus 4, it cancels each other out. And same thing, when I divide this x plus 4 by that x plus 4, it cancels it out. Which leaves me with what is left. X minus 6. That's my answer. That's simple. So when I jump over to problem number 4, I look at pretty much the same thing. I have z, and in parentheses, z plus 2 minus 5, in parentheses, z plus 2, divided all by z plus 2. When I look at it, if I divide z plus 2 by z plus 2, it cancels out. Same here, if I divide z plus 2 by z plus 2, it cancels out. So all those are canceled out, and I'm left with z minus 5. Right? You can put parentheses around it or not, whichever one you prefer. Hey y'all, that's Dividing Polynomials with Mr. Faison. Just another episode down. I'm gonna see y'all next time around. You feel me? And if y'all want the merch that y'all see me in, you know, hey, I'm gonna put the link in there for y'all to go check it out. All right? See y'all next time.
God's plan.
God's plan.